Hey family, how are you? I want to talk today about how we hydrate our hair. Something that's been really bothering me in the salon is the way the ladies come in and the way they hydrate their hair. So I want to show you something that I think is going to be useful to make sure that your hair gets fully hydrated. A lot of times we put the product in our hands and we go straight, we rub our hands together, and where do we go? We go straight to the root and bring it down. That's not good because when we use the products, I'm using something today, Moroccan oil. I think it's a really hydrating product. We can use other oils, but in the salon and on myself, I use Moroccan oil. Take a little oil, put it in my hands, rub my hands together. The first thing I do is go to the ends. The reason I do the ends is because we go from the ends to the root. Now, if we use this model, then we can ensure that the product is really getting on our hair or our ends. Because a lot of the times our hair is growing new from the root. Our hair is growing out strong, healthy. You can see mine right now. I just colored it. Still, that I just colored it, you can still see it growing black at the root. So, in saying that, you know your hair is growing healthy at the root. What you want to do is make sure that the environmental factors, everything at the end is getting hydrated. So I prefer you to, again, put the product in your hair. If you're not using Moroccan oil, something that's moisturizing, not so heavy like a Kimmy oil. Kimmy oil used to be my favorite, and I still probably could use Kimmy oil on different styling aspects. But right now, I just don't want something so heavy. For day-to-day usage, I just want something that's light and moisturizing. And I just want you to start from your ends and go all the way to your root. That's today's tip today. I'm Jade. I'm styling every day. You can reach me at www.stylesbyjade.com, or you can actually go to the link in the bio and it'll take you to all of the booking instructions. I also have free installs for ladies to grow your hair, and you can go through that. And with me, I'm partnered with Maven on that, and we can go get a free install when you buy 3 or more bundles. I want you to know that you can grow your hair. Your hair can grow whether you're doing weave, natural styles, or if I'm blowing it out daily or weekly rather. I blow my hair out daily, so every other day because I just don't like the when I'm blowing all the smoke and stuff in my hair. And my hair grows strong and long. I've worn weaves, I've worn closures, I have pictures of everything on my site. I look forward to doing your hair and having a hair relationship with you. Thank you. Signing off.